Hello my dear students, now this is the time to discuss about fluid friction. I hope static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction, all these frictions are very clear to you with the day-to-day use example. In last topic we have discussed about rolling friction and sliding friction. In that I want you to give one example. Have you ever noticed a girl walking on the footwears? Okay, have you noticed the footwear is of this type? Okay, if you notice these sandals, okay, it will be of this tip size. Okay, now what will happen if any girl is walking? What will happen? The surface which is in contact with the ground surface is very less. That's why what is happening? Low friction is produced, and that is why there is a maximum possibility to skid with your leg. Okay, आपका पैर फिसल जाता है चलते चलते when you are walking with the high heels. Okay, so I wanted to share this example with you. That's why I have given the. It is not looking like sandal, but it's an imaginary part. What actually happening, that is more important. Right? What is happening? The tip of the sandal heels, okay, is very less in contact with the ground surface. Okay, that is why what is happening, your leg will get skidded. Okay, मतलब फिसल जाता है और आप गिरने का ज्यादा chances होता है. Okay, this was the example of low friction. Right now, today's our topic is we are going to discuss about fluid friction. This is a very important topic which will give you a very good imagination. Have you ever noticed and have you ever thought that what actually fluid is? Fluid means nothing but a liquid. A swimmer, okay, when it is swimming or when it is diving into the water, what is its action? Have you ever noticed? जब आप स्विमिंग करने जाते हो तो आपका पोजीशन, डाइविंग का जो पोजीशन है वो कैसा होता है? It is the position like this. Why the position is like this? If you go and fall like this, what will happen? The water will get up and you won't get a good jerk to cover a distance. So I would like to share one thing, that the position is like this. Okay, the position is like this. Now what is happening with this position, I'll tell you. First of all, whenever your position is in a streamline, what is this position? Streamline. Okay, what is happening? The force which is acting on this front surface is very less, means friction is less, and that is why you are easily able to swim under the water. Now, if another example, if you would have observed the shape of the submarine, how is the shape of the submarine? It is a streamlined body. Streamlined body में क्या होता है? आगे का शेप और पीछे का शेप थोड़ा सा इस टाइप में होता है, right? It is flattened from the middle part and thin at the end and front part. So what will happen? Whatever the portion of friction it is being covered by the front part is very less, and that is why low friction is produced, and that is why submarine can go deeply into the water very easily. Third example I would like to give you, it is of aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane का body आपने देखा है? Okay, how is the body of the aeroplane? It is also the same as that of the submarine, but it is a streamlined body. देखा ना आपने? एरोप्लेन का कैबिन कैसे होगा? ऐसे ही होगा, right? I am very poor in drawing, but try to understand. It is a streamlined body. Okay, यहाँ पे आपके windows रहेंगे, जहाँ पे आप लोग बैठे हुए हैं. Okay, this is the cabin. Okay, so these streamlined bodies help to bring a very less contact between the air and the body of the aeroplane. So what will happen? This velocity or the speed at which the aeroplane is traveling, that will be very high, and it will be able to cover the maximum speed at a very few very small distance. Okay, so that is the example of low friction, and it is an example of fluid friction also. I hope this part is clear, and every friction whatever we have discussed, at least 5 examples you have to think in and around which is going your circumstances, and note it down in your notebook, and try to imagine about static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction and fluid friction. Observe the frogs which are swimming under the water, what they are doing, how the fishes are swimming. So make an observation and try to relate it with whatever topic we have discussed here. Thank you so much. I'll come with another interesting video to reach to your knowledge. Thank you.